Welcome to another video. In this video I will talk about a custom 1.6 scale figure that represents an MG42 machine gunner, somewhere in the winter of 1943 on the Eastern Front. This is Richard Schlem's body and head. Richard is now a custom MG42 machine gunner. He is somewhere on the Eastern Front in the winter of 1943. The smock is reversible, just like the trousers. On one side it is white and on the other side it is field gray. Machine gunners used reduced equipment. His secondary weapon was a Luger or AP-38 pistol. On the belt there is also the toolbox for the MG42, including a fabric handle on the outside to hold the barrel when it was too hot and needed to be replaced to keep firing. The shovel was added to give the figure more style. The red arm bands are to be distinguished among his comrades and to avoid friendly fire. He has gloves and a helmet painted white as snow camouflage. The boots are made of real leather with laces. The gaiters are made of fabric. The rest of the equipment is standard and don't have nothing extraordinary. His hat is an M42 overseas cap made entirely of fabric. Let's see his head sculpt. That's a nice head sculpt. Nowadays there are much better ones, but given his age, it's not bad. The MG42, shortened from German, Maschinengewehr 42, or Machine Gun 42, is a German recoil-operated air-cooled general-purpose machine gun used extensively by the Wehrmacht and the Waffen-SS during the second half of World War II.
And another thing about that high rate of fire. It eats up ammunition. Almost 3 times as fast as our own machine guns.
Entering production in 1942, it was intended to supplement and replace the earlier MG34. I think it's all about this figure for now. Feel free to ask questions about what I didn't say about this custom in the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.